Cloth pegs? Okay. So I'm gonna be giving you the tricks how we get to use cloth pegs. Now, yes, you want to cover your hat wire and you're wondering how can you do it speedily. You have like about 20 pieces to make for your clients. Now, this is what you do. You take your uhu gum. I think it's the fastest gum instead of B6000. Yes, you use uhu. It's faster to dry. And to even make it faster, we use cloth pegs. Watch. Yeah, that's how we do it. So watch till the end of the video and you will get to see what I used this to make. Yeah, keep watching. So you see, no need to start waiting for it to dry. No, that's a waste of time. All you need to do is use the pegs and keep on moving round your hat wire or millinery wire, whatever you call it. To get more tips and tricks to help you in this journey of millinery craft, do subscribe to my channel. Take a step further and click the bell button. Yeah, go further and like today's trick by clicking the thumbs up below this video. Thank you. So we're doing all the way around. If you don't have enough pegs to use, what you do is take from the one that has already dried and move it to the front, like what you see me doing in a few moments from now. Can you see how neat and quick that was? Yes, this is the fastest way to wrap your hat or millinery wire. Now, here is the fascinator I created with this hat. This is it. If you want to know how to make this, please do join the Ventcraft Academy by clicking the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.